Welcome back to your other style kitchen, guys. In today's episode, we're gonna look about cabbage and no corned beef. If you want to see how we do that, keep on watching. Okay, guys, welcome back to another No Meat Monday. As you see from the title, we'll be having cabbage and no corned beef. To make that, we have here pumpkin, which is very essential in vegan, vegetarian cooking. We have a cabbage here. We have a carrot, which carrot and cabbage, goes together. We have one tomato, sweet pepper, onion, 2 peg of garlic, and 1 little piece of ginger. And what is not shown here is a pinch of salt or salt to taste. I'm going to cut up them here, and then I'll come back and show you how we get this meal here on the table in about half an hour. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Here I have my things cut up and everything. We have my carrot there, so pumpkin, ginger, garlic, tomato, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet, onion, and my cabbage shred up on the rest. We have the salt. Remember, we have to add salt to taste. So I'm gonna move over now and show you how we get them here together. Free cabbage and not corned beef. So after we heat up about a tablespoon of coconut oil, the first thing we're going to the pot, the onion, tomato, and the sweet pepper. Go and stir fry them here and go and pull the flavor from them. So that when they're ready for have the cabbage and the rest of things them, it's well flavorful. Yeah. So right now we had the no corned beef part of the meal, which are the diced pumpkin and the carrot. Man, if you want, you can grate the pumpkin and the carrot. But for me, I like the chunkiness of the carrot and the pumpkin. So I have something for biting and the creaminess of the pumpkin for biting and the crunchiness of the carrot for biting. But you can grate it as I said before. So I go ahead them here and go and saute them out, get them soft down and ready for the next part of it. Get them sweet and nice and ready for the next part of it. Yeah, so just I go and stir fry this little bit more. Yeah. So right here, so now ready for the ginger and the garlic. And man, me I tell you, see, as soon as I drop this down in here, so at that time that the place I go smell sweet. So after we add in the ginger and the garlic and stir fry it for a minute, we have to cover the pot for go and steam down the pumpkin for go and break it down. Because remember, we don't want to do that with the cabbage, make the cabbage get too soft. Alright? So yeah, we're ready for add the cabbage now. To the carrot, the pumpkin and the onion and everything. Well, nice. I wanna go add everything to the pot, guys. So I go add it in little by little and go and stir fry it. Because we don't want to get too soft and so we still want to have little crunch pan the cabbage. Alright. Yeah, man. So just I go and stir fry. Go and stir it up and thing. Alright? Yeah. So So this cabbage and no corned beef thing is a way me say me I go try to show people say yes in a Jamaica we can go meatless. We can have a meal with just strictly vegetable. We don't have to have meat every day. We don't have to have chicken back, beef, pork every single day. We can go meatless. If I even for one day for the week, so I come up with the idea for cabbage and no corned beef, which you just substitute the corned beef with the pumpkin. Yeah, man. Nice, nice, nice. So we need to dish this idea where we say, boy, no, so we can't go meet this in a Jamaica. Yes, we can. We have too much food out here where we can use and turn we and make fashion, right? And try to cut down on the amount of meat where we eat. Yeah, man. Nice, nice, nice. This is the only thing I want, and I want some nice white rice with it. You can do coconut rice if you even have some Sunday, Monday rice and peas. That would have nice with this. Yeah, man. So right here, so ready to put in the last of it. And we just go stir fry this up now for about 2 more minutes. A minute and a half to 2 more minutes. So both soon land, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so right here, so ready for add with salt. And we say we had salt to taste. So as Jamaicans, you know what we do? We just put in, we don't measure things, we just put it where we think say it need. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna lose some of the footage, guys. But after I put in the salt, we done basically. So we're gonna dish it up now. Um, get it ready for serve for dinner because I was run at the back there. My ball say hungry. The smell lick him out there. Say my ball tell me say hungry. So boy, me dish it up enough. I go serve it with some of me perfect every time fluffy white rice. Which me I go give you the video on that too, guys. It'll come soon. Don't worry about that. Alright, nice, nice. Cabbage crunchy, carrot crunchy, pumpkin creamy, and everything. Look at that. So nice. So nice, guys. I only wish you guys could have smelled it. Wow, the smell where I come from it there. Really and truly nice. So here is a dish meal, guys. Cabbage and no corned beef with some white rice. No meat Monday.